I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If you're over 40, over 50, over 60, and you have a problem with your makeup, especially underneath your eyes, you are going to love this tip. If you follow me over on Instagram or Facebook at Just Doing My Best, you know I love super simple makeup tips for mature women, for our mature skin. I'm going to show you what I'm doing leading up to that, but I'm going to go super fast, and everything that I'm showing, I will link down in the description below. I have nothing on my face right now, no makeup, just skincare and SPF. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a makeup primer just like I normally do. And if you'd like to see a Get Ready With Me, one that I have done recently, I will link it up here, but also down in the description so you can catch that also. So let me start with makeup primer. I'm going in with the makeup primer from Rare Beauty, but leading up to this tip, you're gonna do everything probably the way you would normally do it. So I'm using makeup primer, then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation and then my concealer. For foundation, I'm using the Revolution Skin Silk. This is their Luminous Serum Foundation. Oh, I love this so much. Light to medium coverage, very hydrating. Makeup Revolution tends to run a little cleaner. You can find this, I think, at Walgreens, Target, but I will leave a link, of course, down in the description. This is so good. And if you've watched any of my videos before, then you know I do not like to apply foundation directly below my eyes, since I'm going to apply concealer there and probably a color corrector. By taking foundation out of the equation, that's one less product that can cake and crease and cause me problems underneath the eye. So I usually stop with my foundation about right here. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of color corrector or an eye brightener before I apply concealer. This one here from Catrice, oh, I love this. $6, $6 you'll ever spend. I've said this 100 times, but if you're over 40, over 50, over 60, and you just look tired, I mean, hello, I just look tired all the time. A color corrector will work wonders. Oh my gosh, this is not about color corrector, but I'm telling you, it's a godsend. So I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to concentrate really on the inner corners. And this is super hydrating, and I'm going to use this before I apply my concealer. See, that's helped so much, and I don't even have concealer on yet. And if this is helpful for you so far, do me a favor, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when new videos come out. It would mean the world to me. So you've done everything the way you would normally do it up to this point. Foundation, if you use a color corrector like I do, your concealer, everything the way you would normally do. Now what you're going to do is take a makeup sponge. This is damp, and I'm going to take a makeup setting spray. Now all I'm going to do is bounce this. I'm not pressing, I'm just bouncing this. I'm going to look up and make sure this really gets everything underneath my eye, between my eyes. The setting spray sets everything. The damp makeup sponge absorbs any extra. So you got two things going on here at one time. Now, whatever you want to do after this is completely up to you. If you want to set this with powder, you can. If you don't like to set it with powder, try this without setting it with powder and see how well it works. I'm telling you, your under eye area, you will see so much less caking and creasing. It will last longer. You may be able to avoid using powder altogether. You're going to love this tip. And then look at the excess makeup it has picked up. And then that setting spray, like I said, just locked it all in place. Now I'm going to finish my makeup. I hope that was helpful, and I hope by changing this one thing, you will see less creasing, less caking, better blended makeup. I hope this works for you. And for more foundation tips, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.